Well, would you look at that? What people throw away, it's disturbing. Okay, they were moving out, they didn't want to take it to whatever, hundreds of miles away. That's looking like a good bike. But okay, but don't tell my wife. Okay, let's take a look at this. See what we have here. It's looking like a piece of trash, yeah, that's okay. And it's also looking very old in parts, like the paint is looking good on it, but you can see from the entangled weeds on it that this has been underneath a deck for a while. And you can see the design here. These shifters are a very late 1990s design idea, maybe early 2000s, with this super skinny minimalistic suspension. The little boots are already cracking on it, but the brakes are barely used, if ever. So I'm thinking this is a fairly decent used bike for people who don't have any. Maybe I'll give it to Maria, see what she thinks. So what I'm gonna do, it even has a padlock on it, which they thoughtfully left kinda halfway done, so the key is in it just in case. So I'm gonna put you back on the tripod, see if I can put the front wheel back into the frame, maybe give it a wash, and it's basically good to go, flawless bike. For a person who doesn't have a bike and wants a bicycle as a transportation device, it's a free $50 bicycle. Let's see, none of the spokes are broken, but I might break one because the pedal is kind of through it. Trying not to break anything on this thing. Okay, it's coming. This is my 5-minute challenge. Can I put this wheel back into the frame under 5 minutes and make it rideable? Like the bearing is binding, but it's jittery, but it's really easy to adjust it and make it decentish. Here, I'll just show you. So that's how it rolls. It doesn't really, but let's see. I don't know if anything is bent on this fork. It doesn't look like it. Let's see. Oh, the other one is also turned all the way in. Why not? Sure. Yeah, basically the way we're looking at things is, yeah, one side is in, the other side is in. Of course the tabs don't line up with the holes just yet. That needs a little adjustment. The end of this tab here needs to be in this hole, so this tab needs to do a 180 there. But basically the wheels roll. Let's see this brake thing, this brake here. Let's see if I can kind of put it together. You know, it's there. Okay, we'll pretend there. We'll pretend it works. It, you know, by and large, it's not too bad. If I pull hard on the front brake there, it even kind of works. So not too bad. Free $50 bicycle, and I'm good to go for heading over there for a wash on this whole bicycle here. The seat is decent, the paint is not chipped on it. We're still under 5 minutes. Here is the seat, decent. The paint is not chipped anywhere on it. Yes, it weighs 30 pounds. Barely any rust on it, just minimal there on the shifter. Minimal rust, easy to clean it up, whatever, take care of it. The rims are nice. It's okay, put some air in it. This is good to go with a free padlock that seems to be functional. Yeah, it rotates. We'll call it close enough. $350 bike. Alright, I'll ask Maria.